Okay, so the first thing you will see is the home page, and then you can click Explore and type in your keyword or term in the search box. You can also scale between anywhere globally. Obviously, we're using the United States, and any time period up until 2004. That is where the data will come from. You can also pick your category, and this will also determine the kind of information you get back. And you can pick the platform, whether it's an image search, news search, shopping, or web search. Once you've decided those categories, your search topics and queries will show up beneath. So we're going to do hurricane season as a topic. So if you remember, during the course, we looked at a risk mitigation business. We kept it to 12 months and there's no category selected yet. However, it already populates areas of interest up to 5 areas, related topics up to 5, and related queries. If you click on any of those, it will expand out. Let's add a category. Instead of web search, let's do news search. So the trend in interest over time for news changes. The heat map also changes in terms of the areas. And if we click on news, we get even less information. This is to show you the importance of setting the categories based on your keywords and understanding that that will affect the kind of information you get back. We have subregions here and shown on the heat map, and then you have more related topics and queries given. You can also track the dates and see exactly when the peaks happen for the information that you're looking at in the interest over time. The subregions do expand out, and you can click on any of the highlighted states in order to see exactly where the interest peaks. In the related topics and related queries, the difference is a topic is based on news articles and trending information on social media, where a query is an actual Google search. So the query for Florida hurricanes in 2024 gives us some slightly different information in terms of the subregion. We can click Florida and it'll show us the interest over time. It'll also show us where in Florida the interest peaks. And so if the season is the topic, then it will reflect also in the query. Other people also search for predictions as well. You can click down through all of them. It will only show you the top 5. If you want to see what's actually trending currently in the day or by the hour, click on Trending Now. It will show you the daily search trends as well as the real-time search trends, which updates every hour. It won't show you anything until you have selected a region. So you're going to select the United States, and let's look at the real-time search trends first. So when we click on real time, it shows you everything for the next 24 hours. So we see here that there's floods happening in Trinidad and Tobago. If we're looking at risk mitigation and hurricane information, this may be something we can leverage into content. So when you click on the topic, it expands in the same way it does on the regular search. So it shows you where the interest peaks, and it tells you the kind of information we're receiving, which in this case is news articles. It also gives you related articles and related queries. So this is where you take your keywords from, that related query portion. So if we go back, and now we'll look at the daily search trends, we still need to reset to United States in order to populate. So these are the trends for Monday, June 10th, Sunday, June 9th. This is all of the trending information. Nothing on hurricanes, but there is shark attack information. Again, keep in mind, things do not always have to be specifically related. You can find content that you can tailor to your business or service. So when we click shark attacks, it shows us the daily interest. It also gives us the heat map. We can click on the related query, and it will show us the peaks of interest over 7 days. It'll also show us the topics. So shark attacks in Florida didn't have many queries in terms of keyword searches, but what it did have was a number of related articles. And the importance of the related article feature is that you can then share these articles on social media. And as we discussed, if you want your information to be relevant, current, and up to date, especially for a professional social media profile, such as your LinkedIn, sharing news articles that relate to your industry or point out a pain point that your business is the solution for can help you to further establish expertise in your area, and it can also help to move along conversations. And we will talk more about ways to leverage LinkedIn specifically for expertise in the class on Thursday. I hope you all found this helpful, and best of luck for the rest of your course.